Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Angga Fernanda, and I'm from class management 23 SP and NPM 234111050. Here I will present about definition of taxpayer right and obligation of taxpayer and the difference between tax and retribution. 1. Definition of tax paper. A tax paper is any individual of legal entity that is by law required to fulfill tax obligation and is also entitled to certain rights as set out in tax regulation. This definition includes those who pay tax for themselves, to who withhold tax from others, and those who collect tax on behalf of the government. The status of an individual or entity as a taxpayer is determined by subjective requirements such as identity and legal standing, as well as objective requirements such as the possession of income or asset that fall within taxable category. Right of taxpayer. In carrying out their role, taxpayers are entitled to fair treatment, transparency, and legal certainty from the tax authorities. They have the right to receive clear explanation regarding tax provisions, to have their personal or corporate data kept confidential, and to challenge tax assessment that consider inaccurate through mechanisms such as objective or appeal. In case where they have or paid their taxes, they are entitled to request a refund, and they can expect that such matter will be processed efficiently and fairly by the government. 3. Obligation of taxpayer. Alongside the right, taxpayers are obligated to fulfill certain responsibility that ensure the smooth operation of the tax system. They must register for and obtain a taxpayer identification number, maintain accurate recording of their financial activities, submit tax return on time, calculate and pay the correct amount of tax due, and cooperate with the audit if required by the authority. Their obligations are essential for enabling the government to secure the revenue necessary for public service and national development. And 4. Difference between tax and retribution. It is also important to distinguish taxation from retribution. Tax is a compulsory contribution to the state collected under the law and used to finance public needs without any direct and proportional return to the payer. This means that the benefit of paying tax is shared collectively through public goods and service, such as infrastructure, education, and healthcare, rather than bangling it to a specific service by the individual. Retribution, on the other hand, refers to payment made directly to the government in return for a specific service or facility provided, such as was collecting parking or the use of public market. While tax may be collected by both central and local government. Retribution is general administered by local government and is directly tied to the service or facility utilized by the payer. Thank you for attention and thank you for presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.